Post-construction termite treatment should include replacing damaged or high-risk wood with termite-resistant materials to reduce future infestation risk. Start by identifying and removing all termite-damaged wood and any wood in direct contact with soil. Replace sill plates, joists, and framing in vulnerable zones with pressure-treated lumber rated for ground contact, which uses preservative chemicals baked into the wood to resist termites and decay. For decks, porches, and exterior trim, consider composite decking and rot-resistant engineered products that have no cellulose for termites to eat. Use metal framing or galvanized steel posts where structurally feasible for areas that are frequently exposed to moisture or ground contact. Specify stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized fasteners and connectors to prevent corrosion where preservative treatments meet metal, and add a non-porous barrier, such as a durable plastic or stone separation between soil and any remaining wood to block direct access. When cutting or notching treated lumber, retreat exposed surfaces with an appropriate brush on preservative and document the change in your maintenance plan, so future inspections focus on those replacement materials and interfaces. Common mistakes include leaving small remnants of infested wood in hidden cavities, which lets colonies survive, so always remove all damaged pieces and inspect behind finishes. Another error is mixing untreated wood directly with treated materials without providing a barrier, which creates a weak link. Fix this by always separating wood from soil with a durable separator and by using only treated or non-cellulosic products in ground contact. Homeowners also underestimate fastener corrosion when using different metals, which can cause structural failure and gaps that invite pests. Use stainless steel fasteners and match metal types, or apply compatible coatings to prevent galvanic corrosion. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and helps contractors find work related to termite-resistant retrofits and material replacement. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences, product recommendations, and practical installation tips.